All right, so we've used stream stats, which is still open for our guidance. We've grabbed imagery from PASTA. We've gotten land cover data. We need some soils data. So again, what do you think we're going to do? We are going to zoom in on Pennsylvania. And in this application, if you want to use the pan, you need to grab the little pan. I want to make sure I can see Easton. Oh yeah, there's Northampton County. And again, I'm going to zoom in. I see Martin's Creek up there, which means Easton is down here. And the creek, the nice thing about this imagery is the creek that we are talking about is this one. So this is the Bushkill again. There's Tadamy, there's Nazareth. This is Squeenet Creek coming in along here and via two different pathways. So again, we have to draw an area that we want to download for it. So I'm going to do this by a polygon. And if I hover over it, well, let's see if it'll do this over here. AOI by polygon, double click to close the polygon. So I'm going to click on AOI by polygon. I'm going to start down here where I know the watershed begins. I don't know how far down it goes, so I'm going to be generous out of not being sure. I know that it won't go as far as this river, but I'm going to grab it all anyways, and likewise up here. So let's get a bigger area than we need, double click to end it. And that shows you your area of interest. You guys use this in 351. I just want to remind you of a couple of features. If you click on soil map, it is going to show you the soil map for that area. And what I just want to point out is each one of those little polygons represents a different type of soil. We don't really care about all of these specific soil types. We care about their hydrologic soil group, which is going to determine eventually curve numbers that you want to bring into HMS. So we're going to go to the Soil Data Explorer. And there are all these things along the top here. And what we care about are soil properties and qualities. Under soil physical properties, we're going to see, I think, nope, that would be too easy. Soil qualities and features is hydrologic soil group. Let's click on that. First, I want you to click View Description. This is going to remind you of what hydrologic soil groups are. I would copy and paste this into a Word document to save and read, because you'll probably want to explain what these hydrologic soil groups refer to at some point. Then over here, if I click on View Rating, all of a sudden, this updates and you can see colors. And those colors correspond to hydrologic soil groups. And if I scroll down, it tells me the map unit name, the rating, the acres in the area that we're interested in, and the percent of that area. And again, I'm going to remind you, as we experienced with our class project, we have some soil areas that are urban lands, so we're going to have to deal with those. But a lot of our area, right, 10%, 18% are all hydrologic soil group B. So you are going to have to make some assumptions for certain areas, probably, but a lot of our watershed is probably going to be hydrologic soil group G. If you wanted to figure out what each of these colors corresponds to, you can use the little blue eye to get more information. So I'm going to click on this area right here, and it's thinking, and it's going to tell me this right here is what I just clicked on. It's going to tell me, where is it? Urban land, Duffield complex. There is not a soil ratings value for those white areas. What about a purple area? Let's click on the purple. So it's thinking, and it updated. So anything in purple is hydrologic soil group B. It's good to know. So all of the different colors refer to different hydrologic soil groups. We can't really see what's happening just yet, and that's okay. It's important you know there are different hydrologic soil groups and that these are going to affect how much runoff we get. We're going to click on Download Soils Data, and then you're going to click right here on Create a Download Link. And it's gonna think, and it's gonna think. And at some point, it's going to stop thinking, and you're going to get a little download link here. Go ahead and click on that. And when it downloads, again, you're going to unzip it and pull the information in that file into the file on your desktop.